Hey, good morning, Paul. Okay, everything's up and running now. Good morning, BD Mento, whatever that is, Brad. No, Bob, but Brad, probably Brad. You look like a Brad. I don't know. That's not even a picture of you, is it? Is that Leo DiCaprio? All right. Morning, Vanessa. Ladies and gents. Good morning. Morning. Uh, we're prepping for the morning live day trading session. Good morning, Diego. All right, so first things first, let's just take a look at the market chameleon, see if we have any big fish in our pond this morning. Dropped. Okay, as expected, not really. We have so far. There may be some more news coming out, and something might pop, but so far, we just have Pally on 3.9 million shares, up 24%. Which, as you know, that's not a hot market. You know, we want to see multiple more than 50%. So the momentum breakout trades market not really happening right now. All right, this chart isn't perfect, but it's good. It's not a merger, it's real. Closed at 5.2 yesterday and hit 7.4 today, and is down to 6.65. So we'll be watching that for momentum breakouts. And also, just barely clinging to 20% gains is LLIT. Yeah, but that's after being down all day yesterday. Man, that looks just like Array. Interesting. That fell from almost 10 to 6. LLIT. Not sure why that wasn't on our radar yesterday. But all right. Yeah, that's not one. So, and I'll have Tesla off in the corner. Tesla's back to 602 after hitting 572 in pre-market. XPEV beat earnings this morning. Let's see. Yeah, it wasn't much of a pop. Pally, F Tech, and possibly VTNR. Okay, F Tech. That is one scraggly ass chart. Stay away from that. Do you guys see that's all back and forth? Oh, forget it. That's a quick way to lose money. That's not the day trader's chart. I mean, because it's got day traders all over it. VTNR was at 1.35, hit 1.8. That's great. We'll keep that one up. It's a little bit low volume, but we'll keep it up. All right, and then the rest are really too small. Chris is down. CRIS is down 14%. Take a quick pop and looking at that. Yeah, so it's just basically retraced half its day. That's really good because if it were to put in just a inside candle day today, then tomorrow could be a breakout day for it. Oh, and you guys, what was that one? Oh, it was Array. I was gonna say, what was the one that gapped down and ARRY? And let's see what that looks like pre-market because we're hoping that that will put in a mild inside day today. Okay, good. It will. All right. So we have a couple things on our watch for the next couple days. And Chris, now if Chris were to break out of 17.4 today, we should probably be aware of it. So I'm going to keep that up. That will be a momentum trade as well. All right, and then as far as big cap declines or gains, let's take a quick look at that. Microsoft is up 1%. No, that's not a big deal. 2.9% ASML. Looking for any big pops from bigger caps. Beely, Bili, up 4%. Closed yesterday at 93, is now at 98. Right. Let's see if we got anything bigger than that. All right, we got 5.5% on XPEV, so that's something. 5.9% on CVAC. Oh, very low volume though. That's not going to work for us. I'll keep XPEV in the bottom window here in case it continues to take off. You're going to be shorting Tesla today? All right. Just like that's what you already know. All right. You might want to just watch the first 5, 10, 15 minutes, get some direction though. Let's see. 3.1%, 2.6%, 4.4% from Yeti. Very low volume, not enough volume. And Upstart's up 4.3%. So Upstart trying to get back to progress. Yeah, no, it doesn't look too good. Where was that? Upstart. Okay. Tilray only up 2.5%. Apps up 3.5%. VRM up 12%. There we go. So VRM closed at 35, and then in pre-market after hours hit 42, and is now at 40. And what's the news on that? VRM. Vroom soars after strong earnings report shows off e-commerce prowess. VRM. Interesting. And AMC is up 5.5%, but that's not the kind of thing that we can actually rely on. Was at 10 and went up to 11.5. Yeah, no, we'll stay away from AMC. There's a cannabis IPO today. Okay. Yeah, we'll probably watch that. FLGC. I'll put that up right here. High frequency trading setup. All right. We're continuing to look for prospects here. Hey guys, over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to come join our trading community this morning. And we do live trading every morning for the first few hours. This TikTok feed will be over in about 15 minutes. But go ahead and click the link in my bio to come join the group. And we will be live trading stocks this morning. All right. We also in the group, we have trade alerts and options alerts and other trader signals that you can get returns from. What you want to look at? Let's see. What do you think about? What did you say here? PayPal. Let's see. PayPal's doing okay, kind of a slow gainer. You're probably okay grabbing some PayPal. That'd be fine. What other questions we have here on the TikTok? What about FAMI this morning? FAMI looks awful, god awful. Stay away from it. SPY, that's a really good question. Someone asks about the market. Where's the market going? So today, SPY in the early morning went down to 402. So even further, the market dropped even further. But then it's back up into the bottom end of the yesterday's range. So we'll see what the market does with that. Feels like it wants to get bought up, but we still haven't really fully hit bottom yet. Although it is right around here. So 398 is the bottom. All right, everybody on TikTok, click the link in my bio. Don't forget to follow me. Click the link in my bio to join my trading community, and we're live trading every morning, and we're going to be live trading this morning. So click the link in my bio. All right, let's see what else we want to look at here this morning. Morgan says, looking to do my first trade in options. Can you explain what the difference is if I buy $10 versus a $20 versus a 25? I've been studying it. I can't find any explanation of the difference. Morgan, you just absolutely need to take my video lessons. I'm sure anyone in here will tell you that because then you can just listen to me explain exactly what you're asking to learn. There he goes. I mean, even Jonathan says just go into his video lessons. So there you go. There's the link to my video lessons, Morgan. That's the answer. You're going to learn everything you ever wanted to know about day trading, swing trading, right there at that link. If anybody on TikTok would like that link, just private message me. Let's see, what else can we look at here? We should take a quick look at a couple of cryptos just to be sure of that market, starting with Bitcoin, really. And Bitcoin continues to be in a downtrend. It's been in a downtrend for a while since it broke trend. Here's Eclipse. I'm going to refresh Eclipse. You guys click the link in my bio to come join our trading community. And we live trade every day and have signals for you to be alerted to, so you know what to get into and when to get out. All right, so Eclipse looks like just going sideways. It's been sideways for about almost half a month now. Bitcoin in a downtrend. Obviously, I'm sure a lot of people want to know about Doge. So the prognosis on Doge is it's selling off, it's selling off slowly and slowly and slowly and slowly. So I sold at 6. Probably unfortunate if you didn't get 6. But yeah, now it's in a decline, and you should just take your money and go put it in something else. XRP, people are asking. XRP is just one of those ones that's a slow gainer. Lately popped, but it's that pop may be over. So if you get into XRP, just remember it might be long term. 16 minutes to the market open. And let's take a look at the market chameleon one more time and see if there's anything new now that we're about at the 15-minute mark. Anything new popping in the pre-market? And we have FTech, Pally, VTNR. Those are the same ones that we had before. Yeah, OCGN is up 7.5%. And CYAD on very low volume. Let's take a look at that. That's probably a merger announcement. 5.2 yesterday, hit 6.75. We'll keep that up on the radar. That looks pretty okay. If you trade stocks and options, but you don't follow our plays, All you got to do is click the link in my bio and join our trading Discord. And you're in, and you'll be able to trade live with us and follow our options alerts and trade alerts. Just click the link in my bio. Let's see here. SI, not really enough volume, but it's up 15%. SI Sono, SI is up 12 points. That's pretty significant. Let's take a look at that. Silvergate closed at 81 yesterday, hit 98 in after hours, and is now at 93. What's the news on Silvergate? Let's take a look. Diem announces partnership with Silvergate and strategic shift to the United States. Interesting. I wonder what that will do today. Silvergate to be the exclusive issuer of US dollar-backed stablecoins by Diem. Silvergate. Wow, Silvergate. Sounds interesting. I'm going to put that up over here, and perhaps we'll try and get an option dip buy on that. SafeMoon. I haven't looked at it lately. Let's see. SafeMoon's at 7.7 approximately, as far as the if you take off 100,000 digits. Anyway, SafeMoon's going sideways. It was probably a time to sell a little bit recently, but buy more on pullbacks. It looks like it can continue to pop every couple of days. All right, click the link in my bio, you guys, to come join our trading community this morning. Let's see what else we got on the radar. And Tesla is up to 601 from 572. Apple is at 123. The market itself hit 402. SPY hit 402 in pre-market, but pulled all the way back up to 407, where it is right now. And that's sort of mid-bottom range of yesterday's candle. So there'll be a lot of congestion in this area. So we'll see how that market handles that. Is it going to be able to chop through and get all the way back up? Be interesting if it did. It'd be irrational if it did, but it certainly wouldn't be the first time the market's been irrational. But the key level to watch out for today is if we break yesterday's low, which is 404. That was really like an anomaly yesterday. Remember that bad tick, that weird tick? That's at 404. It's really like 404.75. 404.75. So if we break below 404.75 and head towards 404 and break 404, yeah, that's game on puts. Definitely. Coane says, Evan, you seem to really like SafeMoon. Do you think it has potential to become traded on the normal exchanges? I mean, of course, yeah, it probably will. I mean, it just got so popular. And I definitely don't like it. I just think like it's a good one to trade. If there's one crypto I really like, it's probably Ethereum. Actually like it and believe in it. And then Bitcoin second to that. So, but I'm not in Bitcoin right now. I sold all my Bitcoin on the trend break recently. And I'm waiting to see signs that it's going to go back into uptrend. Until then, I have my money making money elsewhere. And that's how you have to use your money and your capital. No, I didn't do VeChain. That's a good one. Let's check that one out. Yeah, so VeChain is a slow gainer also, so that's a longer term bet. But it's actually at a really good buy point right now. And in a couple months, it might be worth maybe 50% more. All right, we got 10 minutes until the market opens. We're pretty much ready. With regards to Bili, that's BILI. We might be taking a options dip trade on that as well. So I'm going to put that on the high speed system up there, along with what was the other one? Not Silvergate necessarily. There was another one. We were going to get the 5-minute candle dip buys. I think it was XPEV, but maybe Silvergate's better. I'm going to put Silvergate up there. All right, we'll see where the momentum is. Thoughts on Ethereum Classic? Yeah, I love it. Yeah, Ethereum Classic really good, but now's the time to sell. It's way up. Not a time to buy. You want to take profits now. Square, that's a good question. Let's check out Square. Where is Square at? Yeah, so Square's topping. Square's not providing any return right now. Square's a nothing at the moment. We'll have to see where it goes. It may break down in price. That's the way those patterns usually go. Any stocks you guys would like me to take a look at this morning while we have 8 minutes before the market opens? Stocks. Somebody said Doge. Yeah, that's not a stock. PENN, trend breakdown, not looking good. Bearish. Tesla, trend breakdown, bearish, not looking good. Fubo, we're going to need to see in the next coming days. Hard to say. Best Buy, topping, nothing there. No growth. Best Buy not providing any growth. Jets, the ETF. Jets, slowly making its incline as travel continues to be opened up. Right now is a good buy point that you probably won't get again. You've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 opportunities in the last 1 year, like today, in order to get Jets at this price. Applied Materials, broken trend, way down, no good. HAL, Halliburton, topping, and topping means possibly the end of growth, so sideways, and it's also at a sell point. Riot, all right, they snuck crypto into my stocks request. Riot down, broke trend, bearish. General Electric, it's in a bit of a holding pattern right now, but basically bullish. Beyond Meat, broken down, downtrend. It's broken down. Mara, see what I'm saying? This is how they're sneaking them in. Broke trend, bearish. Deer. Sideways, just like GE and most of the industrials, pulled back, sideways, and topping. So we'll have to see if it can continue. Now might be a good buy point, but I don't love that chart anymore. Fingu, the FANG index. Oh, okay, yeah, no, that doesn't look good. That's topped out. XLI, it looks like a good buy point right along the bottom of the channel. Baba broke down months ago. Where have you been? Under a rock? Baba is about 6 months dead. Bearish. Roblox sideways. Wells Fargo in an incredible trend and at a good buy point. Definitely like Wells Fargo, WFC. Steel, we got 4 minutes to the open, guys. You guys over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio to start trading with us today, live. Stocks and options. Click the link in my bio. So steel is in an uptrend because, obviously commodity inflation, but kind of a rocky ride. Alcoa for aluminum, absolutely, just like a searing uptrend. Yes, I know Alcoa. Financials, XLF. Yep, searing uptrend also. I mean, you can always be wrong. You can always be at the end of something, but from the looks of it, XLF financials are the greatest place to be right now. Pool, that's a pretty crappy looking stock. Has been going up and up and up though, but it's rough. It's kind of a rough ride. Yeah, I don't know if you're in for a rough ride. It looks like the year-over-year growth is fantastic. Could provide some good returns. All right, we got 3 minutes to the market open. Getting ready to trade all these. And Beely looks like it's showing the most bullish. Space, Airbnb, that's pretty much broken trend if it had one, and it's sinking. You guys pick some shitty stocks, man. Give me something good. Space broke the trend. It's bearish. Genus, like, why are we even looking at that? Piece of shit stock at the bottom, $1.41. Boeing, slow hype-based uptrend. Looks like hype-based, Boeing, crazy. I really don't like that stock. Crocs, we're going to go take a look at Crocs. 2 minutes to the market open. Yeah, Crocs is in an uptrend, a wonderful uptrend. Had it rough a little bit there. Now is back in trend, and now is at the bottom end of the channel for a buy or an entry. All right, 1 minute and 45 seconds until the market open. You guys on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio so that you can live trade with us today and join our trading community and get trade alerts, options and stock shares trade alerts, and some crypto as well. Click the link in my bio. This stream will be turning off on TikTok in just a minute when the market opens. Thank you for tuning in, everybody on TikTok. Make sure you follow me as well so that we can do this again. We do this every day, every morning. We get the prospect analysis on the market going, and then we live trade the market. And if you want to be part of that, click the link in my bio. Follow me, and you'll be able to be alerted when I do this every morning. We do these live streams every morning. Okay, we got 45 seconds until the market open. Make sure you click the link in my bio right now. All right. I'll see you guys in the live trading room. Come on in. Click the link in my bio. I'll see you in here. 20 seconds. All right. 10 seconds until the market opens. All right, you guys, click the link in my bio and follow. I'll see you tomorrow. Come to my room right now and let's trade the market. Apple starting to push up. at the open. All right, Apple's starting to push up at the open quite a bit. There was like a whole point. That's positive for the market. All right, let's see where this market's going to go. Peloton uptrend. I wouldn't count on it though. It had that huge igniter candle to the downside. If anything, once it gets to the top of the igniter candle, it may continue downward. Would not count on that. All right, the market is starting to rally. And I'm watching SI and Beely.